So here's how to change business account to personal account in Instagram. Let's start off in the Instagram application. So as you can see, we're now in the Instagram homepage. Once you're here, you need to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. And once you're in your profile page, you need to tap on menu on the top right corner. Then, from the settings and activity page, you need to scroll down and select Business Tools and Controls. On this page, scroll down and select Switch Account Type. After that, tap on Switch to Personal Account. Then, you need to tap on Switch to Personal Account again in order to confirm. Now, your business account has been changed to personal account. You can check that by going to your home page. This way, you can easily switch your account type from one to the other. And that is exactly how to change business account to personal account in Instagram.